to try to break a habit. I changed my mind. Now I can have it. Make me feel alive.
Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday and it's 9 o'clock. And Harper and I are going. Yeah, we have to go to Target real quick, and then we're gonna hit up the trail for a walk along the river. You want to come?
Yeah.
We have to be back to the house by noon because we have some window repair men coming. So sorry, I'm trying to figure out this Kindle here. Yeah, so here we go. So we made it to the walking path in Brunswick on the river. Always bring snacks. Huh. Oh, please. Alright. There we go. Hey, this kid. I tell ya. She's either super happy or super grumpy. Underneath, and then you say echo. Almost. Almost. All right, now try.
Echo.
Do you?
Echo. Echo.
I hear it.
Echo.
Oh, pretty.
Echo. 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 Echo.
I don't think you can get up there. Look at these old railroad tracks. Right across the river. For trains, yep. You're right. Pretty cool, huh? Come on. We got home. We were walking into the house and we saw this big truck. And they were lost. So it said something windows, and I was like, bet they're there for our house because we're getting windows today. But they said noon, and we got home.
And the guy said they had to clean them up.
Yes.
And the pot thing was loud, and I had to wait for it.
The nail gun was loud. But they came at 11 when they thought it was going to be around noon. So it's a good thing. Like, we were getting out of the car, walking into the house when they were looking for the house. So it's a good thing we...
They said windows.
Anyways, let me show you the windows. Look at this brand new window.
Where are they going?
They're leaving. Bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
So this old window had a crack here. So they replaced, you know, the whole shebang thing.
Now I can touch it.
Now they even swept up their mess.
Well,
Gotta
now
fix the
can you help
curtains
me?
and put the chair back. This is the other window, which I should have done it before and after because it's hard to see because the light is coming in. But this was a wooden window and it was all smashed from like this little point and it spread out all up the window. And now it's all fixed. It's brand new. Oh my. How we know it's nap time?
Yeah,
How?
because I pitched my bum on the potty.
No. Because you're whiny and fussy. Did you put your babies to bed? Can I see? Putting your kitty in.
Look it.
Show me.
Look there.
Look there.
Look where.
She tucked them in their blankies.
No, not one blanket. Only just one blanket.
Oh. So, it is 2:30 right now. And I'm doing a little editing. And I've been doing laundry. And if you can hear, Harper is screaming bloody murder. Oh, she stopped for a second. But she's been screaming for a good hour. It's this new thing that she's doing. The only thing I don't like about these glasses is that when I have them on, you can't tell that I have eyebrows. Because I do. See? Better. No, you still can't see them. I don't know. I just... Anyway, her new thing is just screaming like a crazy person. It's driving me batty because her door doesn't shut all the way, doesn't shut tight, so I can hear her throughout the whole house. But I don't want to give in because then she just gets her way. I've tried like not yelling at her, but saying, Harper, go to sleep, and every time I talk to her, she screams louder. And I've spanked her butt and does nothing. It just makes her more mad. So I'm not doing any of that. I'm just letting her scream, not talking to her, not telling her she's getting in trouble, just letting her scream. Hopefully she will wear herself out and take a nap because I really don't want to get her up and let her think that she got her way. I'm telling you, 3 is so much worse than 2. She's almost 3. She'll be 3 on Sunday, so in a few days. And I can tell that we are getting there because it really is, the 3-nager thing is legit.
To go for a bike ride.
Bike ride.
With Ellie's new bike.
Yep.
And we're going in the buggy and I brought this blanket in my dad.
Judd's gonna pull Harper and Jordan in the buggy. Ellie's gonna ride her new bike, and I'm gonna ride them, on my bike, obviously. It is 5:45. We've eaten dinner. Hopefully everybody's gone potty. I think we're gonna try to ride to
Mom,
the playground.
can you try to wait for gym tomorrow?
Harper, what was that?
I threw the paintbrush.
Oh, don't do that. Are you ready?
Yeah. Did I forget my sneakers up there? Yep. I am so...
It's alright, we're not leaving it.
Look, the soft spot. And I've been this blanket. How about Ellie?
Ellie doesn't need blankets, she's gonna be riding her bike. It's 51 degrees out, so it's a little chilly, but you know what? It's May and we need to get outside and... Oh yeah, after she screamed for about 2 hours, she finally fell asleep and slept for only an hour. which is a very short nap for her. So I'm guessing it's going to be bedtime when we get home. We'll see how this bike ride goes. Are you ready?
Yeah, I brought my science kit, my water bottle, my bear, and then I brought this blanket so we're not cold.
We're going down the hill. Hi. Hey, oh, we're almost in a pole. Hey, I got a vlog, okay? Why are you riding sideways? Ooh, ooh. Aha, we're back home.